How to delete Google Play Store search history. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily delete Google Play Store search history. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to Google Play Store and make sure you have logged into your account. Now simply tap on this profile icon of your Google Play Store and click on this settings option. So once you're inside here, just enlarge this general section over here and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option called. Actually, you don't have to scroll down. You can simply find this option called account and device preference right under this general option and simply select it. So once you're inside here, you can see there's an option called clear device search history once you scroll down. So now just tap on this over here option and simply click on clear history to delete all of the searches that you have made in Play Store on this device. So just like that, you have successfully cleared all of the history in Google Play Store. So that is how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.